Introducing the speaker cleaner feature on Oppo smartphones. Once activated, the feature plays sound vibrations to remove dust and water, ensuring optimal speaker performance. This feature is available on devices upgraded to ColorOS 15.0.2 and selected older models. You can find the option inside Phone Manager, Tools, More, under Accessibility and Convenience. Or add it directly to Quick Settings. Just swipe down, tap the pen icon, drag speaker cleaner to the panel, and you're ready to use it instantly. With Oppo's speaker cleaner, keep your sound crisp and powerful anytime, anywhere. To get more updates, hit like, follow and subscribe.